Multiple computers are still being slowed down by all the messy cables. The DKS402-M24 KVM switch, 4 computers sharing dual monitors and 1 keyboard and mouse set. Redefining a new way to work efficiently. Full power flagship graphics experience. Compatible with DP 1.4 high-definition protocol. Supports FreeSync, G-Sync, HDR. Signal enhancement. Built-in retimer and redriver. Dual screen free layout. Switch at will. Switch freely. Supports dual screen expansion and mixed screen mode. Supports switching focus with keyboard and mouse. No complicated setup is required. TESmart's unique DP solution EDID Emulator enables smoother switching without resetting. Hotkey visual switcher. You can set the USB audio focus independently, and the audio stays connected when switching. The other 3 ways to switch. Supports automatic patrol monitoring, suitable for various on-duty scenarios. Built-in Gigabit network switch, 1 network cable shares the network among 4 devices. Front USB 3.2 high-speed port, balancing fast data transfer and device charging, maxing out convenience. Works for any professional setting, helping you keep your workspace clean and productive.